So we studied how to get the equivalent fractions. Now consider this fraction, that is 12 by 18. So one fraction I have written here, 12 by 18. Now here we know that 12 is a multiple of 2 and 18 is also a multiple of 2. So we can divide this fraction 12 by 18 by the same number 2. Okay, so that we get an equivalent fraction. Let us divide by 2. See, 12 divided by 2 and 18 divided by 2. What is 12 by 2? That is 6. 6 times 2, 6 times is there. Then next 2, how many times in 18? 9 2s are 18. Right? Again, so 6 by 9, it is the equivalent fraction of 12 by 18 because we divided the numerator and the denominator by the same number 2. Okay, we got the equivalent fraction 6 by 9. So 12 by 18 is equal to 6 by 9. Again you see 6 and 9, these both the numbers are the multiples of 3. We can divide it by 3, right? So let us divide this number by 3. 6 by 3 and 9 by 3. Okay, what is 6 by 3? 6 by 3 is 2 and 9 by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, see here 2 by 3 we got. 2 by 3 is the equivalent fraction of this 6 by 9 and 6 by 9 is the equivalent fraction of 12 by 18. Here we know that 12 by 18 is equal to 6 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now 2 by 3 can you divide by any number? Because 2 and 3, here there is no number to divide by both the numbers. Same number, we cannot divide by the same number in the numerator and denominator, right? Because it is 2 and it is 3. Here you see, here 6 and 9, there was a common factor 3 in both. 6 and 9, there was a common factor 3. That's why we divided by the common factor in the numerator and the denominator. Here also in 12 and 18 there was a common number, that is 2. 2 was common. We could divide by 2 in both numerator and denominator. So we divided by 2 and we got 6 by 9. And here in 6 by 9 also there was a common factor 3. So we divided by 3 and we got 2 by 3. In 2 by 3 is there any common factor? No, only by 1 we can divide 2 and 3, isn't it? So 1 is the common factor here. No other common factor. So here we got the equivalent fractions like this, 12 by 18 and 6 by 9. Again 2 by 3 is the equivalent fraction of 12 by 18. Okay, see another example, one more example. Let us see 20 divided by 30. In 20 and 30, which is the common factor? 2 is there, isn't it? Both 20 and 30 we can divide by 2 because in the multiplication table of 2, 20 and 30 comes, right? That is 20 divided by 2 we can do and 30 divided by 2 we can do. That is we get 20. In 20 how many 2's are there? 10 2's are 20. So we can write 10 by, in 30 how many 2's are there? 15 2's are 30. 15. Isn't it? Again in 10 and 15. See here 20 by 30, the equivalent fraction is 10 by 15. 10 by 15 is the equivalent fraction, right? Again in 10 and 15, common factor is there. What is the common factor? 5 is the common factor. We can divide 10 and 15 by 5. See 10 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. What is 10 by 5? In 10 how many 5's? 2 5's are there. In 15 3 5's are. Isn't it? See we got 2 by 3. Isn't it? So here when we divide by the common factor, after that here there is no other common factor to divide. Isn't it? Now one more example, let us see. 16 divided by 24. 16 divided by 24. Here also there is common factor. What is the common factor in 16 and 24? We can divide by 2. See 16 divided by 2 and 24 divided by 2. 16 how many 2's? 8 2's are 16. In 24 how many 2's? 12 2's are 24. Again 12 and 8 we can divide by 2. So let us divide by 2. 8 by 2, 12 by 2. In 8 how many 2s? 4 2s are 8. In 12 how many 2s? 6 2s are 12. Again in 6 and 4, 4 and 6 there is common factor 2. Let us divide by 2. 4 by 2, 6 by 2. That's equal to 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. We got 2 by 3. Right? Here, see by dividing, last we got here 2 by 3. Here also we got 2 by 3. Here also we got 2 by 3. And here 2 by 3 is called, 2 by 3 has no common factor to cancel again or to divide again, isn't it? There is only 1 as the common factor. Here in 2 and 3 we can divide by only 1 because there is no common factor for 2 and 3. We cannot divide by any other number other than 1. Only by 1 we can divide. So here 2 by 3 is the simplest form. We can say that it is the simplest form of 2 by 3 is the simplest form of 12 by 18. 12 by 18 is equal to 6 by 9. Again that is equal to 2 by 3. Same value only. This has same value, but it is called the 2 by 3. Here there is common factors. We cancelled and at last we reached 2 by 3. Here there is no common factor to divide, isn't it? So that form of this fraction is called the simplest form of the given fraction or simplified form, or one more word we can say, that is the standard form of the given fraction. So 12 by 18, the standard form is 2 by 3. Here also in 20 by 3, the standard form of 20 by 3 is 2 by 3. In 16 by 24, the standard form is 2 by 3. So where we get the, in the fraction, where we get the fraction with a common factor 1, that fraction is called the simplest form or simplified form or the standard form of the given fraction.